What is going on, MOASS Nation? I've got a quick update for you today. We are going to get right into it, but before we do, please remember to go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. Of course, this does piss Ken Griffin off, which is why I'm asking you to do it. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe because I drop content just like this every single day. But enough of all that, let's go ahead and get into the video. So while the stock market has been going down, while your favorite stocks, or stock in our case, is going down, people probably are asking you, or I'm sure you've heard this before several times by now, well, has anything fundamentally changed for this company? And the answer for AMC, if we're talking specifically about AMC, well, the answer is yes, it has. Things are changing as we speak. The company's bottom line just keeps improving, and let me just give you a very quick example, okay? This article that came out a couple hours ago, December 6th. This is from Reuters. London-based Odeon Cinemas. Odeon Cinemas, some of you may not know what the hell Odeon Cinemas is. I will get right into that, but this is related to AMC, I promise you. London-based Odeon Cinemas said on Monday it sold over 200,000 advance tickets of Marvel superhero movie Spider-Man No Way Home in the first week, breaking a record held by Avengers Endgame, and indicating a good appetite for moviegoing this festive season despite Omicron concerns. Odeon, okay, this is the part you need to pay attention to, owned by the world's largest cinema chain, AMC Entertainment, said the tickets sales for the movie, starring Tom Holland as the friendly neighborhood hero, was 3 times that of recently released James Bond, No Time to Die. So I want you guys to slow down and process this for a second. We know that AMC, not just AMC, but just all theaters in general have been setting records. We know this from earnings. I've gone over this before in previous videos. So we know that AMC has been setting records. The entire industry has been setting records with these ticket sales. Here we have another article giving us a little bit of data. And oh my goodness, let me read this part again. Okay, Odeon, owned by the world's largest cinema chain, AMC Entertainment, said the ticket sales for the movie starring Tom Holland as the friendly neighborhood hero was 3 times that of recently released James Bond, No Time to Die. Okay, wrap your mind around that for a minute. Things are fundamentally changing for AMC. Even with this new variant going around, people are just saying, screw it. We're still going to go watch movies. So let me just break this down for you and explain to you what this means. They thought that the movie theater industry was dead, okay? But now we're seeing the exact opposite is being true. So these hedge funds that bet against it, the Ken Griffins of this world that bet against this company because they thought that this business was dead and not going to recover ever, well, now we're seeing that even in the face of a new variant, okay, in the face of the pandemic, it's still recovering and setting new records. So fundamentally speaking, you're able to buy this stock at a much cheaper price than you have been for several months. That's a hell of an opportunity for you to get in or average down or do whatever it is that you want to do with your money. I know what I'm doing with mine, and I can't advise you as to what to do with yours. But just think about that for a second. You're getting another chance. Now, another thing I have to say, and I've said this in a couple of previous videos, but I feel like I have to keep saying it because there's a lot of fear going around right now. So let me just remind you, this is not an AMC problem. What we're seeing in the price action right now is not an AMC problem. This is a market-wide problem. The entire market is being affected, and that's for several reasons. And if you don't know those reasons, which I'm sure you do, go back and watch the last few videos I put out. And speaking of last few videos, listen. Over the weekend, I put out 2 videos concerning Ken Griffin. I thought they were some of the better interviews that I've been able to get my hands on with Ken Griffin. Information that is extremely important, at least in one of the videos that I've put out this weekend, and it didn't get too many views. I don't know if I posted it at the wrong time or what was going on, but it just blew my mind because Ken Griffin admitted something extremely important that we've been being lied to about, not just by Ken Griffin, but also by our very own government, by the SEC. Ken Griffin pretty much busted out the SEC and what they said in their frickin' report. On top of that, there was a recent lawsuit in Florida that was dropped that concerned Citadel and Ken Griffin that was dropped because of something that the SEC did to us. And Ken Griffin pretty much admitted that what the SEC told us was a freaking lie. So make sure you check out my last 2 Ken Griffin videos, because you're going to find those, well, pretty informative. And we need to get those out to everybody everywhere, posted everywhere, so everybody knows and is reminded once again that not only Ken Griffin lied, but the SEC lied. Matter of fact, you know what? We need to get that trending on Twitter and everywhere else, okay? Ken Griffin isn't the only one that lied. The SEC lied. Now, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about for those of you who haven't seen the videos as soon as you go and watch them. So make sure you check those out. But I do thank you for checking this quick video out. I've got some other videos I need to work on for you guys right now. So I'm going to leave you guys with this quick update, and I will see you guys in the next video very soon.